Hey everyone, it's very late at night on my end. It's about 1:12 in the morning, but I wanted to pop on because this is when I have some free time. You guys can actually hear my voice. Just to say that if you don't currently resell, if you have an interest in it, I think you should dive in. You can start with posting one thing every few days to one thing a day to, where it starts to feel weird because you're not posting. You will be surprised the things that people need or have been looking for or actually want to purchase. For instance, I just sold a pair of my son's shoes from when he was about 4 years old. He's now triple that age. So we've had these shoes for a long time. And I just sold them for a good amount too. I'm going to flip the camera if I can remember how to show you without showing you the buyer's information. One second. So the last amount down there, the $35.99, is the sale price of the shoe. So you guys can see today's date. You know it just happened. These shoes have been in our inventory for my home inventory. So if you're thinking about selling, you haven't started yet, sell. Post one thing, see how it does. I think you'll like it and you can make extra money.